Today, I'll show you a simple way to unlock your phone's screen lock or password without losing any data. The best part? It's free and easy, even if you're not a tech expert. Just follow these steps, and you'll be able to unlock any phone hassle-free. Let's get started. You can unlock your phone's screen lock or password using a special code. You will need to press on emergency call, and then you must enter a code. This code is unique to each type of phone and is provided by the phone manufacturer. In this video, we're using a code that works specifically for the type of phone we're demonstrating. Here's how you can get the code. Visit this website that provides unlock codes for free using a unique method. And that's it. Now you can unlock your phone without losing any data. See you in the next video. Bye.